Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm making AI concepts simple and easy for you to understand. In today's episode, we are learning what is a prompt. Let's get started. Again, we will use the same analogy of a digital intern that we are using in this series to help you understand things easily. So, what exactly is a prompt? A prompt is just how you talk to the AI. By giving better instructions, you get better results. As simple as that. But a lot of times people make mistake. They think it's just chatting with an AI. No, it's not. A prompt is much more powerful, and hence there are job openings which says prompt engineer. So, what is an AI prompt? Prompt is equal to instructions to the intern. A prompt is simply what you ask the AI, how you explain the task, and the context you give. Think of it like you're talking to your digital intern. They need a clear, crisp, and directions in terms of how to proceed further. So, better instructions equal to better output. Imagine telling your digital intern, do this. Or instead of that, you can say, do this like this in this format. Same with AI. If you give a vague prompt, you'll probably end up with by getting a vague answer. But if you give a clear, structured, broken down tasks prompt, you will get clear and concise answer. AI follows instructions, and that's what I will say literally. So, what exactly is a good prompt? It should be clear, it should be smart. A good prompt usually has three things: what you want, the output, what is the context. You can also provide the input, which is say take this structured JSON data or take this particular paragraph, something like that, and then come up with an output format, which is your desired output format. You can also add things like what not to include. Examples: explain X for front end devs in simple terms or in bullet list, etc. Remember one thing: you're not coding, you are communicating, and that's the key here. Let me show you with an example in the code. So let's say if you want to build something right in the prompt, you see the system prompt. This is how a production prompt would look like. You are an SEO and content specialist. Output only a JSON object. Ignore navigation menu text. Focus on the main article, like this. So I'm breaking it down in exact way that I want. You can also mention in detail a list of exactly 3 short keywords, a list of exactly 5 concise bullet list, etc. This makes you it a standard defined template, prompt template, and that's what you should be doing. So a simple mental model for this: prompt is equal to API contract. Think of a prompt as a function signature or a API request body, or you can also think of it like a requirements document for the intern. The more details, the better it is. The more breakdown of task, the better it would be. So the final takeaway is prompting is how you control the AI's behavior by giving clear, crisp instructions. Don't think that just sending something and you'll get the required answer. No, it will never happen. Writing a prompt is also a skill now. Thank you so much. I hope the concept of a prompt is clear in AI, and follow me for more such simplified AI explanations. And also I'm building a lot of AI agents. Make sure that you check out the demos in the playlist. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next part.